Welcome to Tourism Talks. Today we are going to discuss about different types pricing strategies. Subscribe the channel, like, share and comment. What is pricing or a pricing strategy? Pricing is a process whereby a business sets the price at which it will sell its products and services. Sometimes it is also part of the marketing plan. Pricing strategies are used by organizations to match the prices with the organizational objectives, dynamic environment, and rest of marketing mix. Dynamic environment can be internal or external. Market skimming pricing. This method sets high price on initial stage and later decreases the price to sell more volume. It is applied when no substitutes are available in the market and customers are ready to pay high. Market penetration pricing. Under this method, the company sets low price on initial stage, and later increases to boost the profits. Initially low price is fixed, to reach large number of customers. Applied when market is price sensitive. Bundle pricing. Charges or sets lower price, for a bundle of products or service packages. It promotes sales of products, that customers not decided to purchase before visiting store. Complementary pricing. This method uses pricing of two or more products and services together to satisfy a need. Example, shaving razor and razor blades. Example, hotel room and meals. Loss leader pricing. Here the organization charges low price, for certain products or services to attract the customers. Especially to attract new customers. Example, low price for rooms, but high price for food. Rip-off strategy. Charging high price for low-quality products or services. This method normally used while bargaining is common in the market. Premium strategy. High price for high-quality products and services. It is a pricing strategy for luxury items. Budget strategy. Low price for low-quality products and services. Like budget rooms, budget airlines. Under this the product function or service quality become less. High value strategy. Low price for high quality products and services. Usually applied in competitive markets to get more market share. Volume discounts. Less price for bulk purchases compared to normal quantity purchases. Used by wholesalers and retailers. Seasonal discount or time-based pricing. Charges low or high price, based on the time or season. Usually charge low prices during off-season and high price during peak season. Psychological pricing. Pricing or marketing strategy based on the theory that certain prices have psychological impact. Example, charging 49 rupees instead of 50 rupees to boost purchasing. It is also called as price ending or charm pricing. Discriminatory pricing. Here, the organization charges different price from different segments of customers. Usually based on age, gender, location, payment method, community membership, etc. Subscribe the channel for more updates, like, share and comment. Thank you for watching.